What's the matter, chickens? Are you going to get into bed and your sciatica is sleeping with you? Well, today I bring you 3 exercises that you are going to do to leave sciatica out of bed and sleep like angels. Welcome again to Fisiolution, your physiotherapy, health, and wellness channel as we embrace another day and week. Today we will address the issue of sciatica and explore what can be done before bedtime to alleviate the symptoms. Sciatica often manifests as a sharp pain that originates from the buttock, travels down the back of the leg, and can even extend to the calf. This particular case involves the SI sciatica nerve. To combat this, we will begin with a massage technique that aims to reduce pain and lessen the tingling sensation often associated with sciatica. It may also help alleviate the numbing feeling or an occasional electric shock-like sensation that radiates down the legs. Let's get started by preparing for the massage. Let's get started. Boom! Absolutely fabulous and pristine. My friends, for our relaxation, how much time? Just 2 to 5 minutes. Physiocreme, an outstanding cream, folks. We'll begin applying this to the problem areas and using our hands, particularly the palms, to ensure thorough coverage. 2 to 5 minutes. This cream is your ideal partner in helping to alleviate muscle and ligament discomfort. With its innovative formula, it effectively soothes muscles and ligaments, delivering an immediate refreshing and cooling sensation for instant relief. You can use this product as frequently as needed. Simply ensure that the previous application has fully disappeared before applying again. Moreover, there is no need to be concerned about leaving stains on your clothes or bed, as it does not leave any residue due to its unique texture. Let's move on to the next phase, where I'll demonstrate the 3 exercises I promised earlier. These exercises are designed to help alleviate the discomfort of sciatica and improve your sleep. One of the exercises we'll be doing is known as the Mohammedan Cobra. It is a gentle and relaxing exercise that involves getting into the Cobra position. In this position, we turn around and place our hands on the areas where our shoulders meet the neck. By gently lifting upwards, we create an extended position. This movement helps to shift the displaced disc, which may be causing pressure on your nerve root, forward, and reduce the amount of contact it has. Let us now proceed to the Mohammedan position at a nice and gentle pace. For these exercises, our goal is to relax and drift off to sleep peacefully. There is no need to exert ourselves and make the movements intense. We place our small head and hands comfortably in a position where we can stretch the posterior part of our body as much as possible. We will now repeat the Cobra posture, but this time we will make gradual variations. Moving slowly and gracefully, we perform the Cobra pose. The intention is to hold this position for 1 to 2 minutes, always maintaining a soft and gentle approach. Taking air through the nose. Exhaling through the mouth, we move our bodies with the same deliberate pace of a lazy bear, ensuring not to strain ourselves. We gradually return to the position of the Mohammedan. We embrace slow motion, taking our time to breathe in and out, carefully searching for comfortable positions that won't cause any pain. The further we stretch, the lighter the pressure. Through this process, we encourage our body to target specific areas that may require stretching and encourage the movement of our discs. In the end, our goal is for you to comfortably transition into the Cobra position. Shall we perform the Cobra exercise for about a minute, all right? To generate the position, as I say, okay? Of the banana, we're going to support the forearms to make it easier. We support forearms, we lift. Look, much easier, because many of you won't be able to lift. We're migrating the disc. And if in this position you notice relief from your sciatica, that's your position. In case you don't feel relief, what we're going to do is we're going to bring the legs to one side or to the other. Where you notice more relief, we will stay there for at least 1 minute, in that neurological silence. We come over here, we make a little bit more space, your disc goes more to another side that doesn't touch the nerve net. And with that, we would have finished our first exercise. 2 or 3 minutes of mobilization and 1 in the banana position, which we call to remove the sciatica. At night, we experience more pain because our attention is no longer occupied with daytime activities. Relaxing in the evening allows us to focus on our bodily sensations, intensifying our perception of pain. In order to alleviate night pain, consider engaging in activities that can trigger the release of endorphins and hormones, such as listening to soothing music or a funny monologue, resulting in a happier state of mind. If you experience intense pain, it is advised to seek your doctor's advice for the appropriate medication. It might be helpful to stand back up and perform the exercises that I recommend. Let's move on to the second exercise, which involves stretching. I want to emphasize that the stretching we will be doing is not extreme or excessive. Our goal is to relax the body and focus on our breath, inhaling gently through the nose and exhaling slowly. Softly and smoothly perform the 2 simple stretches I'm about to share with you. These stretches will help alleviate sciatica discomfort when you're lying in bed. Let's sit down, okay? We're going to sit down slowly. And now we're going to take a washcloth. Look, we're going to run it over what is the little foot, and we're going to grab it with both hands. At this point, we're going to try to do hyperlordosis. Hyperlordosis is this Fisiolution. Because it doesn't do us any good to do this, that might cause our sciatica to roar a little bit. So, trying to maintain that posture, we're going to go down straight, until we notice that the hamstring starts to pull a lot. We are in the process of stretching both the calf muscle and the hamstring. This is especially important if you are experiencing irradiation of the hypothetical SI root caused by a herniated disc, which leads to sciatica. In addition, we are also pulling on the calf to further treat this condition. And ischium. We are going to maintain this position for at least 40 seconds, taking in a lot of air through the nose, exhaling. Nose, exhaling slowly. Taking deep breaths and exhaling slowly through the mouth can help relax, and closing our eyes sometimes aids in inducing sleep. The next exercise we will do is crucial for effectively stretching the muscles in the back of your body. It involves stretching the gluteus and pyramidal muscles by crossing the left ankle over the right knee and bending forward. This stretch is important for maintaining good flexibility and mobility. And we're going to grab it with both little hands. Pulling the affected leg towards ourselves, we are stretching the entire gluteal portion and also giving a gentle touch to the pyramidal muscle. It is recommended to maintain this posture for a duration of 40 seconds in a relaxed manner. For optimal results, we can even repeat this exercise for 2 cycles. If both legs are affected by sciatica, it is advisable to perform the stretch for both sides. Remember, proper breathing technique is essential during this exercise. Soft inhalation, soft exhalation to leave the sciatica out of the bed and to start. To promote restful sleep, try the Agilito sleep technique. This involves the 3rd exercise that alleviates sciatica and promotes neurodynamics. The exercise can even induce sleep. Remember, it is important to lie on your side while performing this exercise. We are going to bring the buttocks almost to the outside of the table to be well positioned. We are going to bend our legs a little bit, and we are going to start raising the leg that gives us the sciatica until we notice that we feel a sensation of irradiation in the leg, of pain, very softly. That would be the top. We are going to flex our trunk forward, and we are going to put our head, our chin, we are going to put it directly on our chest. And now what we're going to do is we're going to lower our foot, raise our head, raise our foot. Lower the foot, lower the head. We put our foot up, we go down. That's it. With this rhythmic movement, what we are going to do is to mobilize the nerve through, let's say, the channel through which it runs. If the nerve is trapped, what we are going to achieve is that it flows in that trapping, and also we are going to generate a relaxation of the whole nerve. This exercise can be done for 5 to 10 minutes. Moreover, if you do it with good breathing, slowly, relaxed, you can fall asleep like an angel doing this exercise. So I have left the neurodynamics for the end. We have done it in a totally lying down position where we are not penalized by gravity, because this can be done sitting down. You can do it lying on your back. We are not penalized by gravity. And if we want to fall asleep, Isa, do we fall asleep? He has drifted off into sleep. After performing neurodynamic exercises, his sciatica has eased. Hey everyone, look, Isa is sleeping peacefully like an angel. Why? Because she has allowed her sciatica to stay out of the bed. Hey everyone, I have a suggestion. If you're interested in learning more exercises, I've shared a video above that explains additional workouts to help alleviate hernias, sciatica, and leg pain. Feel free to check it out. It contains valuable information to tackle these issues effectively. Attention! If you made it this far, kindly consider subscribing and liking. Don't forget to enable notifications, and as we always say, here's to a speedy recovery to healing and beyond. Farewell, adieu.